want to search for some unusual noise toys, and this is one I have shown before, but it's an extraordinary idea. I think I'll have it again. I'm not sure whether it came from Ikea or who it did, but there's child slippers to make them look like dinosaurs. So they're really quite large, but they make a wonderful noise when they're walking. And each one individually actually makes a noise. I'll show you the mechanism in a minute. So the child walks across the room, it's making that marvelous sound as if they can roar as well. Oh, there's one dropped down. That's what's inside the piece. Oh, that's going as well. It's a very neat little compact thing with 3 batteries inside, and each time you catch it, it makes that good loud noise. So for kids who want to pretend to be monsters, I think this is a wonderful toy. I like the idea of the thing being self-contained. So many soft toys, as I pull them out, there's wires sticky onto the... But this is a self-contained one, which makes life a lot easier for maintaining it and dealing with it. So a very intelligent use of noises and soft plush stuff for kids. Do you like them? Yeah. We're still going. This is an old idea. The wobble board. It was very popular, made by some Australian singer, I think I remember doing it, but in action like this. Makes a very curious sound. You can do it like that as well, make it a deliberate wop, but it's best to do a rhythmic wop like this. I've got something in the back of my mind about tying kangaroos down, but never mind that. It makes a nice noise, and it's very original, and it's very much part of the pop culture from the 1960s onwards, really. It came out a long time ago, and in different materials as well. This one's from America, and I think it was about 20 years ago. Grab the handle and shake for cool sounds. Indeed, yes. Nice one. Wop board, I call it, but they call it a wobble board. Oh, well. And the last one is the most bizarre thing I think I've ever come across. It's because it's such an extraordinary mixture of 2 funny things, as it were. I must pick this out to make it perform. The battery thing. There's a battery in there, of course. And it's supposed to be a gherkin, you know, usually, but this is plastic. But this is a very odd one because it's a, well, if I press you here. Yep, the world's first yodeling gherkin. What an extraordinary mixture of words. Yodeling and gherkin are just so far apart in the concepts. It makes something really quite extraordinary. It's actually quite a it's a well-trained voice. It's making that noise. It's something I've always wanted to do as a child. So now I've seen everything. I think a yodeling gherkin. Can you do better?